What's up guys? So nandito kami ngayon sa Lake Chabot. This is in Castro Valley. Dito kami mag-fishing ngayon. Kasama ko naman ulit sina Tio and Sean. So kasama ko sila ulit dito. So yeah, so we're gonna set up a fishing rod. So yan. So set up na tayo. So guys, what I'm using right now is proficiency rod, and this is my setup. So I am using a Carolina rig. So this is going to be your weights, and then that's gonna be the swivel. This is gonna be the swivel, and then it's like 2 feet to a treble hook. So we're going to set this up. Set up na natin to, and then yeah, it's time for fishing. So yung bait na gagamitin ko, the bait that I'm using is a power bait. Yeah, power bait, yan lang po ang gagamitin natin. Early bite? Early bite, people? Ah, lost it? I lost it. I lost it. Ah, early bites, boy. Lost it. Ah. It's good. We got fishes. Mais isda, pre. Trout yan, mahuhuli din kita, boy. Sabi na eh. Sabi na eh.
Kanina?
Wow! Puta.
Lightning nga.
Sabi na eh.
Lightning?
Hindi. Regular trap. Told you. Second fish of the day, boys. Yeah!
Bilis ah.
Yeah! Second fish. Yeah! Second fish.
Malalo. 15 lang. Oo. Grabe lakas makipaglaban ha.
I know. Hello guys. Recently what I got tatlong trout. Sorry hindi tatlong trout na nahuli ko. Sorry hindi ko na video. Technical issues kasi but I caught a lightning trout. Ganda, 17 inches. Tapos yung dalawa. So as I mentioned sa last video ko, no, 5 trout ang isang tao per person. 5 trouts. But ito ang pinakamalapit, ay yung pinakamalaki for now. Woo! Good fight. Ganda laban. Makakahuli din kayo, tol.
Hindi lang kami. Yun lang.
Tiwala lang.
Ayun yung mga yun. Marami kaming walang huli.
Tiwala lang. Makakahuli din kayo.
Dumala lang kami dyan.
Tiwala lang.
Shoutout na limit ka na.
Woo!
Uwi na kayo.
Ganda. The wind suddenly picked up, so I got my 5 trout limit. So yun nga, sabi ko nga is 5 trout lang sa isang tao. So nakakuha ko ng limit ko. So there's 3 good sizes, tas dalawang medium sizes. So yan, ito na yung mga huli ko sa lahat. And peace out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Susunod ulit. Bye.